What's the meaning of bituminous? Bituminous. Bituminous.
Bituminous. Bituminous. The term bituminous refers to a type of coal that is intermediate in quality and characteristics between the lower-grade subbituminous coal and the higher-grade anthracite coal. Bituminous coal typically has a high carbon content and a relatively high heat value, making it a valuable fuel source for power generation and industrial processes. Its name comes from the sticky, tar-like substance called bitumen, which is a byproduct of the coalification process. Bituminous coal is widely used around the world, especially in developing countries, but its use has declined in many developed countries due to concerns over greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution.